Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to write a decision tree with subtrees in Radiant. It is not required for the class, but it might be helpful when you work on a big and complex tree. The idea of subtrees is to break down the whole tree into small pieces and work on them individually and then put them back together to get the result. In example 2, we will write signing with movie company as a subtree. First, let's create the main tree that references to a subtree. The tree name is sign contract. For next line, we will specify the variables. Legal fees are $5,000, and we will create a variable sign MC pointing out to the subtree. dTree is a function in the Radiant library. And then we have two options, so it is a decision node, either signing with a movie company or the TV network. If we sign the contract with movie company, the payoff will be the EMV of the subtree. The payoff of signing with TV network is $900,000. Now let's move on to the subtree. The tree name is sign with movie company. We will list main tree in the variable section, so the subtree could have the access to the variables defined in the main tree. For example, legal fees. For the rest of the subtree, it will be the same as we discussed in the third video of decision analysis. If we sign with movie company, we need to pay $5,000 for the legal fees, and there are three possible scenarios: small, medium, and large box office. And we need to specify the probability and the payoff for each scenario accordingly. After constructing the decision tree with the subtree, we click Calculate Tree button. Let's check the subtree first. The EMV of signing with movie company is $955,000. It is directly plugged in the main tree, since $955,000 is greater than $900,000. The optimal strategy is to sign with movie company, and the associated EMV is $955,000. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps you to understand how Subtree works in Radiant.